So my mama is making a nutty professor. So she's brewing herself some coffee. And she's got this Irish cream liqueur. How much are you putting in there?
1 ounce.
1 ounce. And then what's this? This is frangelico liqueur. How much of that?
1 ounce.
1 ounce.
Stir that.
Yum. Some whipped cream on there. That looks delicious. Good? Doesn't that look delicious? Look at her beautiful mug. Where'd you get that from?
Colorado.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, our family is obsessed with Colorado, basically. We love that state. We used to go there every summer. Here's my brother Kyle taste testing the Nutty Professor. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Can I try it?
Delicious? She's gonna try it too.
I'm Kyle's girlfriend, Rachel. Hi. Oh, that's really good. Not gonna lie.
Delicious. And we got a little boy in a box. He is having fun. You guys, you don't even have to have expensive toys for your babies. Just put them in a box. They love it. Let them play with the boxes. Thanks so much for watching this video today, friends. Please hit the subscribe button below, the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video, and the like button if you'd like to see more content like this.